Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So do let me know when you leave a comment. It actually gives me a lot of happiness that people are enjoying the readings. Many of you sent me the feedbacks in my private messages in WhatsApp because they say that Pinky ji, our account people will come to know. But sometimes it is okay if people know that you are a person who believes in all this, because that in itself is, according to me, that you are hiding your true self from the world. Because I think the world should accept you the way you are, and not the way the world wants me to see at it. So that's my way of thinking. Maybe it is wrong, but anyways, I just felt like telling this to you all because I keep receiving messages that we follow your readings, and if I don't put a reading on one day, I see so many people asking me. Then I wonder that why it is that they don't message, they don't put it in the link that how the day was. Chalo, today I feel the color should be white, and today in the afternoon, if you have the time in the afternoon or in the evening, feed a stray dog. I feel you need to feed a stray animal today, and also pick up some fruits and donate it to a needy today. Work towards donation and charity. And if you feel I don't know whom to give the fruits to, then in some temple you can put some money towards annadan, or charity of food. So let's see how your day is going to be today. Let's see. Okay, Seven of Swords. Do you see the card? It's more like loads of work is there and you are so tired at the end of the day. But here I feel as if you are trying to safeguard something, and you are worried about something. Let go of the worry. Sometimes the day begins with worry and the day goes in a way that we think what will happen. But again, how the day will go, maybe this worry is related to something which has happened in your past and you feel it is coming back again in your life and it is troubling you. It does not need to be a person, it may be an incident. Say, for example, I will give an example here based on the swords and the cups. Maybe in work, once you have had some issues, or you had some colleagues who were backstabbing you or who were making use of your innocence, and you feel now again the pattern is repeating. So it is more like a repeated pattern which is troubling you. But I feel you need to let go of the trouble, and you just need to, can you see this card? It is more like just have an eye out. I'm sure things are going to become better. Maybe today is not your day. Maybe today it is a lesson learning, and when you learn lessons, you should not cling it to your past. This is my way of thinking. So don't cling it to your past and just move forward in your life, having just one faith that today is not my day, but tomorrow is going to be the best day of my life. And when we go with that, I think the next day always becomes much better than what it was today. So don't worry about your work, don't worry about things again recurring in life. It is just a temporary phase, and this phase shall pass very, very soon. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.